Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to rock your afro wig and one bonus way because I totally forgot about it. Anyway, I am using HergivenHair's Coily unit. This is a new unit. It has a bang in the front and I thought that was really cool, and it's 14 inches long. And I'm just so excited to be doing another sponsored video with HergivenHair because I've been rocking with them since they opened like 3 years ago. So it's always a pleasure to play with kinky, coily, kinky straight textures from HergivenHair. And this is the hair information as well as all the stuff that comes in with the unit: clips, combs, elastic bands, and my hair. I'm just going to put it in water so you guys can see me wash it and prep it and style it. Now, I'm washing in a downward motion, and the shampoo that I'm using is by Mielle Organics. It's their sulfate-free shampoo. This was the second to last use. I'm trying to finish all my hair products, and that's why I'm using them on my extensions or any way that I can use them. All I'm doing now is rinsing my hair out. I want to totally get rid of all of the shampoo, and I'm also going to wring my hair out and make sure all this water, all the water I can get squeezed out, it gets squeezed out so that I can follow up with some conditioner. And I'm using Mielle Organics Mint Deep Conditioner. Again, this product is old, so I am using it on my weave, but it is a very good conditioner and I still use it on my natural hair. And all I'm doing now is rinsing out the conditioner. Let it sit there for about 15 minutes before you rinse it out. Don't rinse it out immediately. Don't get confused by the video. And all I'm doing now is squeezing it out and then plopping it on a towel so you can see everything. Adjustable straps, which go in the back, a comb in the back, 2 combs on either side. And that's all there is for the wig cap. It just has a simple 4x4 in the front. And next up is the Elvive oil by L'Oreal. I hope I pronounced that correctly. And it's a very lightweight serum. They call it the extraordinary oil. I don't know if it's extraordinary, but it works nicely as a serum to prep my hair for styling. And that's what I'm going to do. Just apply a whole bunch of it all over so that I don't have heavy hair. And then I'm going to move on to styling with my Mielle Organics curl cream. This will put some moisture in my hair and not make it look so dry. And I'm just being very generous because I'm going to define the hair a little bit. And all I'm doing is using a detangling brush. Hate these on my natural hair. I love them on my weave though. They work beautifully on some weave. And you see the hair is getting some definition, and that's all I'm doing. If I used a gel, the definition would last forever, but I just want it to be defined and detangled, but not too much because I want some of that kink and coil in there. This is the next day. I am cutting my lace so that I can wear my hair. And for some reason, the exposure was just messing with me throughout the filming of this video, but we will make it through. I'm powdering my wig to make sure that my scalp looks good, but this isn't necessary. With a kinky curly wig, nobody's gonna see your scalp, chances are. And this is what it looks like when I just plop it on. I'm separating to make sure I fluff my hair and so that it can look presentable and pretty and the way hair would look after a wash and go. That's basically all I'm doing right now, and molding it into the first hairstyle, which is just side bangs. And I'm going to come forward and show you guys. This is what my side bangs look like. Very pretty, very simple. Just a little part right there above the middle of my eyebrow, and then to make it a full bang, just bring it down. That's all. I guess this hair shines too bright for the lighting, but we'll just say we did this on purpose. The full bang, that's what it looks like. Very simple hairstyle. Now separate it, and you can have just like a partial itty bitty bang right there in the middle for those of you who don't want too much hair in your face, or you just feel like that's too dense, it might drown your face, you want to shape your face a little bit better. And that's hairstyle number 3. This is something I love personally. And I'm going to go on the other side to show you guys that you can add some height by bringing your hair forward a little bit to the side bang. Bringing your hair forward makes it so that your hair can sit up better in the front, and you'll have a very high Pac-Man looking afro that's super big, pretty, loud, and full of character. So we're gonna move right along to hairstyle number 5, which is the obvious full afro. Just fluff your hair and pick it and get your Angela Davis on. And of course, the last and bonus hairstyle, middle part. Totally forgot to show you guys this, but you can check out this wig, which is a kinky texture. I'll link the video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. As always, I'll have all the information in the description box for you, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.